My name is Tanya and I'm a wood turner and owner of Creekview Woodshop here in Paris, Kentucky. Right now during the pandemic, things are hard and a lot of us artists are used to trying to get our pieces out there, to be able to communicate with the public, to see them one-on-one, especially when you're dealing with things like what I make. People like to touch them and be close to them and know them before they purchase them, or even trying to get to know me. And so it's a really challenging time, but I'd like to say to the rest of the artists that, we can do this. It's going to be okay. You have to try to find a way to get your work out there. There are virtual ways. You can have an Etsy store online. There are a lot of different things, and just don't give up, because there are people who are still interested in art and they do care about what you're doing, but you just have to try to get yourself out there. And if you haven't done something like start an Etsy store or start something else like that, this might be a really good time to do it. I've been trying different things during the pandemic that I didn't feel like I had time to do before. And so try to use it as an opportunity to do something positive during a scary and negative time. If you want to know more about my work, I have a website. It's www.creekviewwoodshop.com. And you can also find me on Instagram and on Facebook. And you can also find a lot of my things on the Etsy store. And I really appreciate everyone's support so far, before the pandemic, during, and hopefully also after.